Here we go, disassembling the laptop. First of all, we will begin by removing the battery. Then we are going to remove the RAM cover. Only one slot for upgrades. So then we are going to remove all the screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep in mind that these two screws are holding the keyboard in place. That would be the next step to disassemble the laptop. The next step would be to remove the keyboard. This would be done by a plastic instrument. To get under those ones, to pull the keyboard up, it will go away easily. After the keyboard, there are three screws here, here, and here. So after you unscrew them and remove all the connectors which lead to the motherboard, the casing will open up easily also. You just hook onto this and pull this up and the case will be disassembled. That's pretty everything. Don't forget to remove the CD-ROM drive. This is the screw which holds it in place. So once you unscrew this one, you just take it out like this. It will be disassembled. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.